Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today we're going to unbox some items that I bought from Uniqlo. The store is located at SM Mega Mall, and I was surprised to find out that they have this kind of models and they are on sale at this time, because last year it was introduced through their online store, but it was not yet available in the Philippines. And last December I was looking for this kind of model, and I did not buy the first models that I saw on this kind of item that being sold at Uniqlo store. However, I was surprised that they still have this kind of model, so I asked for some advice. I asked some questions from the salesperson inside the store, and they told me to go to the first floor of their store. Usually the men's section in SM Mega Mall is located at the third floor, but I only limit myself in going around that place. But when I asked a question from the salesperson on where to look for this particular item, he directed me to go to the first floor, and it was my first time to go to the first floor, and I was surprised that there are men's attire being displayed at the first floor. Usually the first floor you can only see women's and their t-shirt items, but I really don't know if it only started for this month of February where they display this particular item on the first floor or in the first floor. We're going to unbox. This is my first time to see a Selvedge denim in light color, or I think this is cream or ecru. It's not purely white, but it is a darker than the white. So this could be a cream one. And I was surprised that they are priced on sale for 1,990. Before, when I first saw this kind of pants, they were priced at 2,999. And this is from Uniqlo U. This is size 30, Selvedge regular fit jeans, and this is 100% cotton. And you can see inside you have white and red, maybe pink Selvedge inside. Very nice. This is my first time to see this kind of pants with Uniqlo. No frills, it is zipper fly, there's only one button in front, very simple. And you will never go wrong for a price of 1,990. This is almost $40. And I got also their black color. It's still Selvedge, regular fit in size 30, and it's still sale. As I said, the original price of this was 2,999, and they reduced the price to 1,999. And this is 100% cotton, just like the white one. Selvedge is white, and it looks like pink Selvedge. So very nice, very simple, but it looks like it's really good. Still the same, they came from Uniqlo U. It is from Christopher Lemire. Very nice, 100% cotton, black. So these are my latest haul from Uniqlo, the black one and the white or ecru color.